today's class, we are going to be talking about oxidation number and how to calculate oxidation number of just one particular compound. And the compound involved is calcium iodate. We also calculate for the oxidation number of iodine, oxidation number of only iodine present in calcium iodate. Now, how do we do that? First of all, I made a video on the steps of calculating oxidation number. So if you want the breakdown steps of calculating oxidation number, you can go and check out my previous video how to calculate for oxidation number. But let's simply trash out this particular question. How to calculate oxidation number of iodine in calcium iodate? Very easy. First of all, oxidation number is the combining power of elements present in a compound. So what combining power is iodine bringing to form this particular compound, calcium iodate? Very easy. First of all, let's identify the oxidation number of calcium here. Calcium is a divalent metal, right? Meaning it forms 2+ when it ionizes. So the oxidation number, what I simply mean by that is calcium form double ion, anion 2+. So calcium here, oxidation number is +2, right? Or you can simply see that iodate here is written like this. So iodate combines, have to be twice before it can combine with calcium. So that's why calcium has oxidation number of +2. Either way, to explain that particular scenario. So calcium oxidation number is always +2. Plus, remember we are talking about the combining power. We have to combine all of them, right, in terms of the oxidation number. So this is the oxidation number of calcium, what calcium is bringing to the table in this particular compound. Now we are asked to calculate for iodine. We don't know. Let's use the symbol for iodine, I. But iodine here is appearing 2 times, right? This bracket and 2 outside, meaning that 2 affects iodine here because it is in the bracket, right? So we have to multiply iodine by 2, right? Plus oxygen, the oxidation number of oxygen is always -2, except in peroxide. So this is not the peroxide, this is calcium iodate, not calcium peroxide. So the oxidation number of oxygen here is -2. And you can see oxygen is appearing 3 times and also appearing 2 times. So we have to multiply by 3 and also multiply by 2. Now, all this oxidation number is equal to the charge, right? Remember I said I did a video concerning rules of calculating oxidation number. So you can go and check out that video to get a proper understanding. Now, all this oxidation number is equal to the charge. You can see there is no charge written at the top of calcium iodate, meaning that it's a neutral compound. If there was a charge here, it will be equal to the charge, either -1, +1, -2, or +2, depending on the charge. But in this case, there's no charge here. It's a neutral compound, so it will be equal to 0, right? So the oxidation number of everything here, the net oxidation number, is equal to 0 because it does not contain any net charge. So now let's solve. Let's solve for I. Very easy. Using our algebra knowledge, let's solve for I. So +2, I times 2, simply it is 2I, -2 times 3 times 2. -2 times 3 gives us -6. -6 times 2 gives us -12, all equal to 0. Now you can see this is the odd man here, and this is an alphabet is here, this is number, and this is number. We have to transfer them to the other side of the equal to sign in order to get like terms. So this is 2I equal to -2 moving, -12 moving over to the other side will change to what? +12. So this will be +12. +2 moving to the other side will change to -2. So at the end of the day, 12 minus 2 gives us 10. Now this is not the end of the question. 2I, we have to calculate for the oxidation number of iodine, not 2 iodine. So we have to cancel out this 2 by dividing both sides by 2. So when we divide here by 2, we get only iodine, and divide here by 2, we are going to have +5. So the oxidation number of iodine here is +5, meaning the combining power of iodine in calcium iodate is +5. Have a nice day and bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.